Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Parkside pressure washer performance model PHDP 180D3. Durable and water-cooled induction motor with high performance capability. With a 3-in-1 nozzle turbo dirt blaster, water flow rate 600 liters per hour max, max pressure 180 bar and rated 150 bar, cable length 5 meter, low water consumption for economical cleaning, water savings up to 83%. Batteries included, accessories with a 5 years warranty since this is the performance model. Compared to the Parkside regular pressure washer, this one has a 30% higher working pressure and 20% increased flow rate. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Wow, that is huge! And it is heavy! Oh my god! Just take a look how big it is. Now let's take a look one by one what accessories we have in the box. Starting with a cleaning agent, 500 ml. Two 3A batteries, connection for the main water supply. It is metal, I like it, very durable, high quality. Quick connector with a garden hose adapter, metal and plastic. The filter, turbo dirt blaster. And you can connect that here at the front. Just pull this metal, remove, and then you can install it here. It locks very easy. High quality, just love it. Heavy duty. Metal in here, rubber. Press, rotate, and it locks. So easy. Rotate, unlock. And that is the 3-in-1 nozzle, adjustable. You can rotate. Definitely I will show you how it works in real conditions. And of course we have the surface cleaner, the handle here, the regulator, you can adjust. This is rotating. We have a hard brass around here on a black color. This is the performance model, and we have 2 outputs. And of course the connection, adjustable, 90 degrees. You can connect that here. Pull, and that was all. So easy. Just love it. High quality. And of course, here we have the main connection. I need to install the batteries here at this area. Screwdriver is not included. Seal it very well with a rubber. So if I will press the trigger, you can see I will show you how it works when I will make the test. The release button for the high pressure hose. And here we have the pressure setting, 3 adjustments. You can check that at the display. For wall, car and fence. Nice. Just love it. And of course the locking button. You can use the trigger, unlock and press. That is all the accessories, so let's move on at the main unit. Now, I don't know why it is so heavy, maybe because inside it has water. Yep, was tested in the factory. We have this cover, here it is the connection for the main water supply. Perfect. And it locks the adapter, pull to unlock. High quality. On a black and gray color. Huge wheels for transportation. The handle, press, and you can extend the handle, metal and plastic. Nice. Yes, definitely it has water. Yep, that's why it is so heavy. At the back we have the cable, 5 meters cable, the switch to release the cable, lock and lock, and here you can install the detergent, this one, 800 ml the maximum, with a regulator, metal, just love it, and here you can adjust. It opens and closes. Nice storage position. And of course here we have and the high pressure hose. Very convenient. You can unfold. Storage. And then with the hose reel, with crank handle, you can fold again and store it. I like it. No need to connect the hose at the main unit, is already connected. So the only thing that you need to do is connect the gun here. That was all. The release button, very easy. And we have here this needle for cleaning. Don't forget the cable. I like the storage. And of course here we have the on-off switch. Heavy duty, Parkside performance. At the front we have another storage. For the gun. Another storage in here. Everything, it is so tight. and another storage here. And of course, here at the front, don't forget to install in the filter. Just love it. High quality. It's a robust, well-engineered tool that proves you don't need to spend 500 euros to get a serious cleaning machine. So, stay tuned until my next video. I will cover the testing part, since that is the most important. Thanks for watching, please subscribe, share this video and smash the like button.